The new shoes in the V. Tires. I got like 3 tires in here, and I got all the rims in here. 1 in the trunk, 1 in the one in the rear, 2 in the passenger. I just couldn't fit 1 tire, so I'm gonna have to make 2 trips. But I'm really not sure if this is gonna fit. I ain't gonna lie. Like, I raised it, right? But the rim that I have is the same size rim. If anything, it's a 20 by 10.5, 25 millimeter offset. So it's gonna come out more, just a tad bit. And the tire is now a 305 35/20, right? So this rim size sidewall should be a tad bit smaller, so I believe it should fit. And in the front, same size rim, same size tire, it's gonna come out more. So it should fit. It should fit. If anything, I can raise the front. I didn't really raise it, but it should fit. It should fit. It should fit. I think I'm gonna have to raise this side up though. I might have to raise that size up. It should fit. I should be Gucci. But yeah, I think I'm gonna raise this side up right now, to matter of fact, before I get there. Cause I think I'm just going to. Cause this side should definitely fit. Hopefully they fit. Hopefully they fit. They was in love in the car. Oh my God, nah, I'm wet. I'm wet. Nah, I'm wet. I'm wet, gang. I'm wet. I'm fucking wet.
The diamond wire is in the back, right?
Yeah, 305 is in the back. Oh my God, I'm moist. I'm really moist. I gotta change my drawers. Nah, gang. I'm scared. I'm scared, gang. I'm scared. They're scared. Oh, they was in love with the rap. They was talking about, this is real. I'm like, nah, it's forged carbon fiber. It's a rap. It's a rap. You know what I'm saying? Like, I rapped it so good, people think it's real forged carbon fiber. Like mud. Like, I'm trying to show you. I'm trying to show you, gang. Oh man. Nah, gang. I'm really. Lord have mercy. Burnout out the lot? Nah, I'm trolling. I probably went all out with this one, gang. This one is flush. This one is flush, gang. Flush. Like, flush. Like when I say fitment in its purest form, I mean fitment in its purest form. I'm really like a different breed when it comes to this fitment shit, gang. Nah, this is gonna fit. I might have a little bit of rub. You know, we gonna thug it out. I don't know. Yeah, I have to see this car sit down yet. I have to see it sitting down. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh Lord have mercy on my soul. I'm really Timothy. I'm really Timothy. Stop playing. And I could go lower. It fits. It fits. It looks good too. It fits. It fits. Fan isn't running. I don't know if the fan is supposed to be running, but the fan isn't running. And then if I look at my temperature, 226. It's gonna keep on going, 228. The fan still isn't. Yeah, it's the fan. I don't know. But then when I start driving, maybe the fan kicked on. I don't know. So I just installed the new fan. I took out the old one. I had to drop it through the bottom because I couldn't pull that shit to the top. But this new one, I could push it in vertical this way and angle it the other way. The fan still is not on because the car isn't up to temp. So I'm waiting for it to reach, I don't know the exact temperature, but it's almost, I think I have like a 210 or like, I think the fans kick on at a certain like 200 Fahrenheit. So I'm gonna turn the camera back on when I believe it's like 208 or 210. Then the fans kick on. But yeah, I gotta wait for the fans to kick on. So far, it was pretty tedious. It was a tedious installation, not too hard. Just had to take out my intake for real and just maneuver the fan left to right, connect it back. Never mind, the fans kick on around 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Cause I was just sitting here for a minute and I'm like, why isn't the temp going up? My shit just stopped at 200, then start going down. So successful install once again by Tail the mechanic, and then the fan stopped. That's okay. Top tier fan doing this job. I do this shit for real, bruh. Tap in. Tap in.
Okay. Can I get them? Pretty good. Hi guys. I'm getting
You got it? Come on. God damn.
Esse é o toque, o file, é o brabo da putaria.